name is Najwa.
My name is Patrice.
And this time, we will story A Dutch Old Lady.
One day, there was a beautiful girl from the Netherlands who lived in Indonesia. The girl received a Dutch scholarship. Her name is Elsa Vanderman. She was sitting in the middle of the last park when an old woman said to the girl, begging Machuga.
You'll get your skin dark. But mother, you can see the market from here. Lovely and the stone are from me. We are Dutch there. Don't get too close to them.
He saw a commoner named Siti, and then he greeted her.
Me how to make layer cake. I can only, but I the madam finds out again. The madam finds out gets scolded. We will do it quickly. I will share it with you